Current Affairs July 2025. Most important current affairs. 1. National Turmeric Board in a major boost to India's turmeric farming sector. Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah inaugurated the headquarters of the National Turmeric Board in Nizamabad, Telangana. 2. India ranked third in the Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2025. A unicorn startup is a privately held company, without any listing on public exchanges, valued at $1 billion or more and supported with venture capital. 3. India's first wildlife corridor on Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. The National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, has established the nation's first wildlife corridor on a national route, marking a significant step towards sustainable development. 4. July 1, National Doctors Day 2025. The theme for this year, Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healers? In commemorate the outstanding accomplishments made by Dr. B.C. Roy. The 1st of July is also GST Day in India. 5. HUL Divas celebrated in Jharkhand. HUL Divas, observed on the 30th of June every year, marks a powerful moment in India's history, the Santhal Rebellion of 185 led by Sidhu and Kanhu Murmu. This uprising was a response to brutal exploitation by the British colonial regime and their allies, the Zamindars, landlords, and moneylenders. 6. Prime Minister receives the National Honour of Ghana, July 2, 2025. PM Shri Narendra Modi was conferred the National Honour of Ghana Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana by the President of Ghana, H.E. John Dramani Mahama, in recognition of his distinguished statesmanship and influential global leadership. 7. Bengaluru City University renamed after former PM Manmohan Singh. In June 2006, Singh laid the foundation for Bengaluru's critical infrastructure projects ranging from elevated corridors to Bengaluru Metro. On June 24, 2006, the former Prime Minister laid the foundation for Bangalore Electronic City Elevated Highway, a key link to the IT and manufacturing hub. 8. PM Modi conferred with Order of Trinidad or Tobago, Caribbean nation's highest civilian honor. PM Narendra Modi was conferred with the Order of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. 9. Italy and Netherlands qualify for the Men's T20 World Cup 2026. Despite a win for the Netherlands, Italy's net run rate advantage meant that both sides qualified for the mega event in India and Sri Lanka. Thus, the Maratha military landscapes of India in Maharashtra were officially inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage.